grade kia E confusion nere go say discussion nere ko ba held behind the scenes singa ekaro gwa kodra matem kwa nyore certificate gocha usengochere usetima itingyo takeri go kore karo bwate gekora imbe na barumbale ngo ababwate.
I'm sorry to mention this. It is a hard truth. When even NEC decide to give people E's, even if you have an E, and governor one kwa nkora standard area. Otigero.
So E means yo kwa West Stream yake yao
because it's not easy kunyore E. Because umwana gocha goswa class.
No, and participation yoka ya form 1, form 2, form 3 never to count for something.
I don't want to talk getting umwana nyore E. And then ko demolish motenga yabono kwa gure. But konyore E. More especially NEC. Matema yo mwali ya cases. I want to say go back and repeat. Yando iroje matema yu. O iroje ga kinonyora no ne D minor.
At least a certificate.
That is certificate. We are not looking for a certificate. No ya ko bango chere. It is like an impossibility because go to opportunity from form 1, form 2. Uga form 2 kwa chora subject. Ukachora your subject. Option onjiro chingi. With the grading system machagua oito CS. Oya sogete. Abe atigete. Nga metekale tu akatebire nga you must pass. Okanyora abe kile must. Lakini nowadays only 2 subjects. Zile compulsory and another 5.
Another 5.
Another 5. 7. I don't think nga anyway. That's when entrego takana asinchone motivational speaker ko takana umuntu hope tiganti grabo ntendo aqui
lakini kero como hope para na como tie kene ese hope ya
and back anyore di maina ikane
kero